Honor Power 2. Full specs, features, and price explained in detail. On January 5th, Honor officially introduced the Honor Power 2, a smartphone that immediately grabbed attention for doing something most phones don't even attempt. Combining extreme battery capacity, flagship-level durability, next-generation performance, and smart AI features in a surprisingly slim design. This is not just another mid-range or flagship phone. Honor Power 2 is designed for users who demand maximum endurance, outdoor reliability, and consistent performance, even in the toughest conditions. In this detailed breakdown, we'll explore every major feature, specification, and the official pricing of the Honor Power 2, without missing anything. Honor Power 2. 6 standout features. Before diving deep into specifications, let's first look at the 6 biggest highlights that define the Honor Power 2. Massive 10,080 mAh Qinghai Lake battery. Second-generation communication technology. MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Elite chipset. Extreme waterproof and dustproof body. Ultra-bright 8000 nits display. AI-powered outdoor mode. Each of these features plays a key role in making the Power 2 one of the most unique smartphones currently on the market. Display. Built for extreme visibility. The first thing you notice about the Honor Power 2 is its ultra-bright display. The phone features an 8000 nits peak brightness AMOLED screen, which is among the brightest smartphone displays available today. This level of brightness ensures that content remains clearly visible even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for outdoor use. Honor has also integrated AI-powered display optimization, which intelligently adjusts contrast, brightness, and color accuracy depending on your environment. Whether you're hiking, driving, or working outdoors, the screen remains sharp and readable. Performance. Dimensity 8500 Elite makes its debut. Under the hood, the Honor Power 2 becomes the first smartphone in the industry to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Elite chipset. According to Honor, this processor delivers 7% improvement in CPU performance, 25% boost in GPU performance. The chipset is paired with the Mali G720MC8 GPU, ensuring smoother graphics, faster response times, and better gaming stability. This setup is built to handle heavy multitasking, gaming, navigation, and AI-driven tasks without slowing down. Battery. Industry-leading endurance. The defining feature of the Honor Power 2 is its massive 10,080 mAh battery, currently one of the largest batteries ever used in a smartphone. Honor uses its flagship Qinghai Lake battery cell, which is designed to maintain battery health for up to 6 years of regular usage. According to official data, users can expect 14.2 hours of gaming, 17.3 hours of navigation, 26.3 hours of video playback. Charging efficiency has also been improved, with 46% faster charging performance compared to previous generations. Communication, stronger signal everywhere. Honor has taken connectivity seriously with the Power 2. The phone features a 6-wing antenna system, where the mid-frame alone accounts for 15% of the total antenna structure. This setup delivers 100% stronger signal in normal environments, 200% stronger signal in elevators. It also improves cellular stability while driving or traveling through weak network zones. The system is further enhanced by Honor's C1 Plus radio communication chip, ensuring reliable connectivity even in challenging conditions. Durability, built like a tank. The Honor Power 2 is engineered for extreme durability. It supports an impressive range of IP certifications: IP66, IP68, IP69, IP69K. This means industry-leading resistance against dust, water, high-pressure jets, and harsh environments. Honor has also added one-button water drainage, allowing users to quickly remove water from the device after exposure. Additionally, the phone uses Shock Absorption Architecture 2.0, delivering 25% improvement in drop resistance, 22% improvement in bending resistance. The screen also supports AI rain-resistant touch, ensuring accurate touch response even during rainfall. AI Outdoor Mode, smart features for real-world use. One of the most innovative features is AI Outdoor Mode. This intelligent mode includes network scheduling optimization, enhanced outdoor call clarity, automatic hands-free calling, voice-activated call answering, display enhancements for sunlight, real-time weather alerts. These features are designed specifically for users who spend a lot of time outdoors or in dynamic environments. Design, dimensions, and display specs. The Honor Power 2 is available in 3 color options: orange, black, white. Despite its huge battery, the phone remains surprisingly slim. Dimensions: 162.1, 76.3, 7.98 mm. Weight: 216 grams including battery. The device features a 6.79-inch AMOLED display with 2640 f1200 resolution. DCI-P3 wide color gamut, 1.07 billion colors. 3840H ZPWM dimming. HDR support, aluminosilicate glass protection. memory, storage, and performance hardware. Honor Power 2 comes with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.1 storage. This combination ensures faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and better energy efficiency. Camera system, practical and reliable. The phone features a dual rear camera setup, 50MP main camera with f/1.8, 8 aperture and OIS, 5MP ultra-wide camera, up to 10x digital zoom. For selfies, there's a 16MP front camera with an f/2.45 aperture. While photography isn't the main focus of the Power 2, the camera system is designed to deliver reliable results in most conditions. Cooling and audio experience. Honor uses an advanced ice-sealed cooling system, combined with 5th Gen superconducting hexagonal graphite, VC laser engraved cooling technology. This setup reduces chip temperature by up to 1 degree Celsius while improving VC cooling efficiency by 20%, enhancing graphite chamber performance by 90%. Audio is handled by symmetrical dual 1115 superlinear speakers, delivering clear stereo sound and loud call clarity, gaming performance, and software. The Honor Power 2 includes the Phantom engine, which maintains stable 120 FPS gameplay, reduced frame drops during intense sessions. A new game input method allows quicker communication during gameplay. The phone runs Magic OS X based on Android 16, featuring Honor AI Assistant, AI image processing, AI eye protection, multi-device collaboration, AI anti-fraud call protection, faster QR scanning with 40% speed improvement, pricing and availability. Honor Power 2 pricing in China is as follows: 12GB plus 2, 56GB, 26.99 yuan. 12GB plus 5, 12GB, 29.99 yuan. Pre-orders are already open. Final verdict: the Honor Power 2 is not a phone for everyone, but for users who need extreme battery life, durability, outdoor performance, and long-term reliability, it stands in a league of its own. With its massive battery, advanced connectivity, rugged design, and AI-driven features, the Power 2 sets a new benchmark for endurance-focused smartphones. If Honor brings this device to global markets, it could redefine expectations for what a smartphone can truly handle.